Ever been on a trip, had some leftover YouTrip credits, and wondered how to get that sweet travel cash back into your bank account? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the question, can you actually transfer money from your YouTrip account to your bank? YouTrip is a fantastic travel companion, offering competitive exchange rates and cashback rewards. But what happens when your trip is over and you're left with a balance? Can you simply withdraw it, or do you need to spend it all before your next adventure? Let's find out. The good news is, yes. You can generally transfer money from your YouTrip account back to your linked bank account. However, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Transfer methods. Most common, YouTrip likely offers a transfer to bank feature within their app. This usually involves selecting the amount you want to transfer and confirming the details of your linked bank account. Potential alternatives. Some platforms may offer other options, such as transferring funds to an e-wallet and then transferring from the e-wallet to your bank account. Fees. Check for transfer fees. Be mindful of any transfer fees that YouTrip may charge. These fees can vary depending on the amount you're transferring and potentially the currency. Foreign transaction fees. If you're transferring foreign currency, remember to factor in potential foreign transaction fees that your bank might charge. Processing time. Be patient, bank transfers can take some time to process. YouTrip might provide an estimated processing time, but it's always best to allow for a few business days for the funds to reach your bank account. Currency conversion. Potential for conversion. If your YouTrip account holds funds in a foreign currency, the transfer process might involve currency conversion. YouTrip will likely use their own exchange rates, so it's worth comparing these to the mid-market rate to ensure you're getting a fair deal. Account limits. Be aware of any limits. YouTrip may have daily, weekly, or monthly limits on the amount you can transfer to your bank account. Tips for a smooth transfer. Double-check details. Before initiating a transfer, double-check all the details, including the recipient account number and bank name. Use a secure connection. Always initiate transfers through the official YouTrip app or website via a secure Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Keep records. Keep records of all your transfers, including transaction dates, amounts, and any associated fees. Let's say you're traveling in Japan and have 50,000 Japanese yen left on your YouTrip card. You can usually initiate a transfer within the app. You'll select Transfer to Bank, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. YouTrip will then typically convert the yen to your local currency, e.g., USD, and initiate the transfer to your linked bank account. You might incur a small transfer fee, but the process is generally straightforward. Important notes. Terms and conditions. Always refer to YouTrip's official terms and conditions for the most up-to-date information on transfer policies, fees, and limits. Contact support. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, contact YouTrip's customer support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Happy travels.